honestly, I was gonna just drive my car off a bridge, to be honest. My name is Jamia Pyle. I'm from Nashville, Tennessee, and I now work at the Wildwood Lifestyle Center as a volunteer. And how I got here is an amazing journey that God really blessed. I came here because I had suffered from a nervous breakdown. And the thing is, I had unresolved trauma. You know, growing up, it was a happy home, but it was a home where there was a lot of abuse. I think the worst time in life was probably when my sister was abducted. She was 13 years old, and she was raped by a group of people. They left her for dead on the side of the street. And I remember thinking, our family must be cursed, you know, for things like this to happen, because it didn't seem like it was happening to anyone else around me. I remember I had my daughter, and I thought I was okay. But once I had my daughter, it was like a trigger for me. I couldn't settle the thought of what's gonna happen to her. And in the end, I dropped my daughter off with a friend, and honestly, I was gonna just drive my car off a bridge, to be honest. And somehow, by the grace of God, I landed at a behavioral health hospital. I don't know how, but my husband found me at a hospital, and the Life Alignment program, they called and they set it up for me to come. And so the Life Alignment program, it was amazing. Like, from there, it challenged my deep core thoughts, my feelings, my actions, and it helped me to examine what was going on in my life. And I started to have peace. I was able to forgive those who actually abducted my sister. I was able to forgive those who had abused me and my family. Now, I actually teach the Life Alignment program, which is so amazing, because I get to go in and to know in my own way what people are experiencing, and to realize that, hey, when I walk in there, I can say, listen, whatever you're experiencing right now, this doesn't have to be the end. You know, you can actually come out of this. I know, because I was here.